sneeze, or sometimes any light source, even artificial, and you go like that, and they stare right at the sun if you got to sneeze.
Really?
If you're on the verge of sneezing and you feel you're going to lose it, if you're going to lose your nasal orgasm, stare right at the sun.
Lose your nasal orgasm?
The sneezes.
A nasal orgasm?
Sure.
I had not heard that.
How great do you feel after a sneeze? And then like a little guilty.
It's good. No, but you have to watch out because there are things you feel good after only because the act of leading up to it made you feel bad.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, but
Like if you have to pee real bad and then your peeing feels good. Well, it only feels good because you felt miserable right up to that moment. So anything feels
just
better.
getting back to homeostasis.